Hello friends, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. So in this video, we'll be seeing the PowerPoint interface and its respective terminologies such as tabs, quick access toolbar, status bar, slide pane, notes, etc. So let's quickly jump into the video. So first of all, let me open PowerPoint. So to open the PowerPoint, you can go to search bar and then type PowerPoint, and then you can see PowerPoint. Or else you can go to start menu and then you can find PowerPoint. If you don't find PowerPoint in here, you can go to all apps and then search for PowerPoint over here. So once you open the PowerPoint, you can see this interface. So in this video, I'll not be using any of these templates. I'll be simply using the blank presentation. And this is the main interface which look like in the PowerPoint. And here we have several things. So let's go one by one. So here you can see at the top of this PowerPoint interface is the title bar, and in the end of this title bar you can see the minimize, maximize and the close button. So below the title bar we have several options, and among them the first one is file. And when you click on file, you can see several options such as you can create a new presentation, you can open an presentation which you have created early, and here you can see the recent presentations which you have worked on, some templates which we saw earlier also, that when you open a new slide or new presentation you can see the templates over here. Then the information of this particular presentation such as size, title, category, last modified and the author. And you can save this presentation. Other options are such as print, you can share, you can export and more, such as options and feedback. So this is all about the file menu. And now we quickly move into the tabs. So these are the tabs you can see over here apart from file. So first is the home tab, and similarly the other tabs. We have several tabs over here, and different tabs have different options which are available under the tab. For example, in the insert tab there are several options which are available. So in that tab also there are several options which are divided into the groups. So these in the insert tab, so these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are known as one group. So that comes under the images group. And similarly there are illustrations, and there we have these many options. So these are called the groups. Slides, tables, images, illustrations, links, comments are the groups. So we have tabs over here, and into the tabs we have groups. So in different tabs there are different groups, and these groups forms a ribbon. For example, if I am in home tab, then this rectangular box forms a ribbon. So this is called ribbon. Now the next is quick access toolbar. So I don't see any quick access toolbar over here. So what I can do is just go to file, and if I go to options, I can see a quick access toolbar over here, and where if I click on the quick access toolbar, and as per my relevance I'll choose if I want this quick access toolbar below the ribbon or above the ribbon, and then click OK. So now you can see several buttons on the title bar also. So these are the quick access tools which you use very frequently. Let's say for example you use undo, redo, or to save the presentation. So these are the buttons which you use very frequently. So the next is notes pane. You can find the notes pane over here, and you can use this while you are presenting this presentation to someone. So if you add notes over here, let's say I say hello team, and I write down the points which I have to say while I'm presenting. So I can note it down over here in the notes pane, and while I'm presenting, these notes will not be visible to the audience. it will be only visible to the presenter, which is whosoever is presenting. And this is also helpful while you are making an educational presentation, such as points to remember, definitions, quiz for the students, etc. So last but not the least is the status bar, where you can find several buttons such as the zoom slider, where you can zoom in the slide or zoom out the slide, the presentation button or the slideshow button, and these are the views buttons. These three are the new view buttons, such as we are currently in the normal view. The next is slide sorter view. So if you have multiple slides, then all the slides can be seen at one go in the slide sorter view. The next is the reading view, where you can see the presentation such as you are viewing the PDF. And on the left hand side, you can also see the number of slides. So that's all for this video, guys. And before closing this video, we have a fun activity, and fun activity is a quiz. And the quiz is, in this image, you can see one button, and what will happen if we click on that button? So these are the four options, and you can comment your answer below in the given comment box. Also guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing this channel. Till then, goodbye.